This 2022 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8265 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 30 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Skylight, LP detector, leveling jacks, oven, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, awning, refrigerator, stove top burner, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, patio deck, raised patio. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8265 is 5,060 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.